In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Huntington Bank login not working issue. Whether you're trying to sign in on the website or the mobile app, we'll walk through what typically causes login problems and how to fix them quickly. First, let's set expectations. Most issues come down to a handful of root causes: mistyped credentials, accounts locked after repeated failures or potential fraud flags, temporary server outages or maintenance, an unstable internet connection, outdated app versions, corrupted cache or app data, device-specific problems on mobile, or interference from tools like VPNs or strict firewalls. Start by ruling out anything on the bank's side. If their services are experiencing an outage or scheduled maintenance, you won't be able to sign in until that clears. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa, or briefly toggle airplane mode on and off to ensure you have a stable connection before trying again. Now focus on your credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you're unsure, use the reset or recovery option on the login page to create a fresh password. If you've had several failed attempts, it's possible the account became locked. Completing the recovery flow usually resolves that, or you can contact support for help once you've verified your identity. If the login page loads but still won't let you in, clear your browser cache on desktop or your app cache on mobile, then relaunch and try again. Corrupted cache data can block a successful sign-in even when your credentials are right. Keep your software up to date. Update your web browser to the latest version, and on mobile, update the banking app through your device's app store. If the app still misbehaves, uninstall and reinstall it to replace any damaged files. A quick device restart can also clear temporary glitches and is worth doing before you try again. On mobile devices, be aware that certain modifications, such as rooting or jailbreaking, can cause the app to refuse login for security reasons. Let's cover a few special cases and tips. If your account is locked due to failed attempts or suspected fraud, complete the bank's identity verification steps to restore access. Be cautious of phishing. Always sign in through the official website or the official mobile app, and never share your one-time codes with anyone. If you use multi-factor authentication, confirm that your phone number or email on file is current so you can receive verification codes. Finally, business and consumer banking may use different portals, so be sure you're on the correct one for your account type. To wrap up, open the special cases and tips section in your resources for quick reference to these scenarios. Follow these steps calmly and you should be back into your account soon.